The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G aims to strike a balance between affordability and advanced features, catering to users who want a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. Here's a closer look at what this mid-range contender brings to the table. Design and build. The Galaxy A36 maintains Samsung's sleek and modern design ethos. Its 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display dominates the front, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks, ideal for streaming and gaming. The phone feels sturdy in hand, with a premium plastic frame that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. Despite being a mid-range device, the attention to detail in design is commendable, with rounded edges and a slim profile, making it easy to hold and use. Display. The FHD Plus resolution on the Super AMOLED screen ensures that videos, photos, and apps look sharp and crisp. The 90Hz refresh rate enhances the user experience, delivering smooth scrolling and better gaming visuals. Whether you're watching YouTube, browsing social media, or catching up on Netflix, the display performs admirably, considering its price range. Performance. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, the Galaxy A36 delivers solid day-to-day performance. Apps load quickly, multitasking is smooth, and you won't experience significant lag unless you're pushing it with demanding games or heavy multitasking. The inclusion of 5G support also ensures you're future-proofed for fast mobile data speeds, making it a great option for users who want the latest network capabilities without a flagship price. Camera. The triple camera setup on the back includes a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro shooter. The primary camera captures detailed and vibrant shots, especially in well-lit conditions. The ultra-wide lens is great for landscape shots, while the macro lens lets you experiment with close-up photography. In low light, the camera holds its own with decent performance, although noise can creep in, which is typical for mid-range devices. The 16MP front camera ensures sharp selfies and handles video calls with clarity. Battery life. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A36 delivers a full day of use on a single charge, even with moderate to heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing, you can comfortably go through the day without constantly reaching for the charger. The phone supports 5W fast charging, which gets you back to a decent charge level quickly, although it isn't the fastest in the segment. Software. Running on One UI 6.0 based on Android 14, the user experience is smooth and intuitive. Samsung's software brings plenty of customization options, including dark mode, edge panels, and gesture controls, making it easy to tailor the phone to your preferences. Samsung's ecosystem integration also means that if you own other Samsung devices, like a Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds, the A36 will seamlessly sync with them. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G offers excellent value for its price, combining a great display, solid performance, and 5G connectivity. While it may not compete with flagship models in terms of premium features, it covers all the bases for users who want a reliable and future-proof phone for daily tasks, media consumption, and social sharing. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that delivers on the essentials without compromising on modern features, the Galaxy A36 should be on your radar.